This is number 30 in data sufficiency. And we are trying to figure out how many certificates worth $10 did the store sell. I'm going to let X be the number of $100 gift certificates. And I'm going to let Y be the number of $10 sold. And what else do we know? The store sold a total of 20. So we know X plus Y equals 20. And we're trying to find Y. So that's all just given. Now let's look at the clues. Number 1. The gift certificates sold by the store were between these two numbers. So the value of the amount of gift certificates sold would be 100x. That tells you how many the amount of money bought for $100 gift certificates, plus 10y. That's going to be in between a 1650. 1650 should be down here. A smaller number is less than 100x plus 10y, and this number needs to be the larger of the two for the range, and that's 1800. And the first thing I'm going to do is divide everything by 10 just to make my number smaller. So that's 165 is less than 10x plus y is less than 180. And I'm trying to find y, and I've got an inequality, but it's got two variables in it. So I'm going to take this equation and solve for x. That's x equals 20 minus y. And substitute that in for x. That's 165 is less than 10 times 20 minus y plus y is less than 180. I'd like to stop here and say, well, I can solve this for y, and if I know that will be my answer, but I'm afraid my inequality, when I solve this, I might have one or two choices for my y. So let's keep going. This is 165 is less than 200 minus 10y plus y is less than 180. So 165 minus 200, that's going to be negative 35 is less than, combine these, a negative 9y is less than, I'm subtracting 200, so it's going to give me a negative 20. And now we're going to divide everything by negative 9 because we want to get y here in the middle. So that's going to be a positive 35 over 9. When you divide an inequality by a negative sign, you have to reverse your inequality symbol. So 35 over 9 is greater than y is greater than a positive 20 over 9. Well, 35 over 9, 4 times 9 is 36. This is 3 8/9. Because it will go in, 9 will go into 35 3 times with 8 left over. And 9 will go into 20 twice with the 2 9ths left over. So what number, this is 2 2 9ths, oops, 2 2 9ths is less than y is less than 3 8/9. So what's the only whole number in between there? And that would be 3. So clue 1 works. So what's clue 2 say? Yesterday the store sold more than 15. Well, that doesn't help us, the $100 ones, because they might have sold more than 15. They sold 16, 17, or 18, or 19. So that doesn't help us. So your answer is A.